Let's talk a bit more in depth about how to overcome the challenges of promoting our website. First of all, we have banner advertising. To categorize banner advertising, we look at what we have as a banner advertisement, and it's kind of like print but online, so it's online print. There is no direct messenger that you can see, but we could consider our company as the messenger. And also the message is a comparative ad where we have the very thin, big, skinny wallet and a thick normal wallet. And that compares our advantages to a normal wallet, which is pretty good because everybody has a wallet and most of people have a thick wallet. So they see the advantage there. The target audience really depends on where we run the ad. So let's have a look at the pros and cons. Um, the pros is the banner is always there and it constantly catches the attention of customers, which is a bit of a branding deal because we have our big skinny logo. Every time the customer goes somewhere, they see the big skinny logo and it just creates awareness. And the other thing is that we can have this very good comparison very easily on the website. Um, the negative sides is these banner ads have been used very extensively, and people ignore them. And also, you have to pay by a per impression basis. And if nobody clicks on that, that makes it really expensive. So we have to have a look at where we run the ad, our place, and our target audience. Therefore, so we have two choices. We can either negotiate with individual sites, which is a bit more pricey, but then we can really think about what the target audience is. Or we can go to big advertisement vendors, and they are a bit more cost effective, they're cheaper, but we can't really tell where our ads run and who sees them. So they're a bit more untargeted. So that is a pretty big disadvantage of the banner advertising. They're not so specifically targeted.